Car looks nice. However, you can see right through this thing. Let's change that. Alright, as you can see, we got the car washed, and we are here at Pellicar Window Tinting. They did the striping on the car, so I trust them to do the tint. And their prices are pretty reasonable, so I'm going to take a look at see their options and go from there. Alright, we're going with the tint now. We're doing 35% just because that's Massachusetts legal limit. But it'll still be a little bit darker than obviously what it is now. So. All right, car's all finished up. Looks infinitely better, not gonna lie. That's crazy how much of a difference that actually makes. Only 35%. Here's the back. Got rid of all the little window bubbles over here, so that looks great. They were able to keep the diffuser intact as well, which was great. And overall, makes the car look a lot better, I'm not gonna lie. So, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.